Hi everyone, in this video we'll be exploring some of the most famous quotes by Warren Buffett and what they mean for investors. One of Warren Buffett's most famous quote is, "Price is what you pay, value is what you get." What this means is that the price you pay for a stock is not necessarily reflective of its actual value. A stock that looks cheap may actually be overpriced, while a stock that looks expensive may be undervalued. Instead, it's important to focus on the value that a stock can provide in the long term, such as its growth prospects and dividend yield. Another famous quote by Warren Buffett is rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. What this means is that protecting your capital is the most important thing when investing. By avoiding risky investments and focusing on high-quality companies, you can reduce the risk of losing money and maximize your returns over time. Finally, one of Warren Buffett's most inspiring quotes is, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." What this means is that investing is not just about making money in the short term. It's about creating a better future for yourself and for others. So those are some of the most famous quotes by Warren Buffett and what they mean for investors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.